Transitioning to a circular economy requires new and innovative business models that replace old models of operation. Taking advantage of new opportunities allows companies with a strong market presence across various parts of the supply chain to play a significant role in driving circular economy innovation by using their size and integration. At the same time, new entrepreneurs in the circular economy can also contribute with fresh ideas and products. To make circular practices more widespread, market mechanisms should be the driving force, supported by policymakers, educators, and influential leaders. Green-4-Future focuses on vocational training to meet the needs of environmentally conscious consumers. Developing training resources for common circular economy business models is crucial to ensure that vocational education remains relevant to the changing business landscape. Green-4-Future has identified 3 widely recognized circular economy business models, creating learning materials for each model to support vocational training. Let's explore these models. 1. The co-creation of the products/services model involves collaborating closely with customers in the design and manufacturing process. By understanding customer preferences through online reviews and involving them in product development, businesses can create sustainable products and services. 2. The sustainable consumption model focuses on calculating the environmental impact of products and providing ways to monitor sustainability throughout the supply chain. This model encourages consumers and stakeholders to actively participate in the circular economy. 3. The collaborative recycling/reuse model facilitates the sharing and reuse of products at the end of their life cycle, reducing waste. It also introduces incentives like rewards for recycling and reusing. Developing training resources for circular economy business models is an important innovation, especially when integrated with the Green Intercomp framework. As businesses increasingly embrace sustainability, these resources will remain relevant for a long time.